Alright, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing, I was filming in the bathroom there for a sec because you know the lighting was good, but basically what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing y'all my dorm because you know we now moved into college, so I'm going to be showing y'all around it, kind of like the different things I got. I thought I heard someone outside the door telling me shh. I didn't think I was being that loud, was I? It is a little early, I guess, that kind of energy, but as you guys can see, man, the view is beautiful. I'm in love with this, so this is crazy. And yeah, I'm gonna get to showing you all the different parts of my dorm. My roommate will move in probably later while I'm gone, so I'm gonna be locking, you know, some of my stuff up. Of course, I trust my roommate. I'm just saying, you know, we gotta keep everything safe 100%. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. I'm about to show y'all around the dorm. So if you guys want more college videos like this, and I don't know, content like this, of course, I'll always be doing tours and stuff like this. If you guys want this kind of stuff, you guys can subscribe below and also drop a like. Let's try and hit 200 likes and I'll definitely update you guys with more. Again, there's more stuff I'll eventually be adding to my room. This is just the first day, so kind of just like what it looks like after everything's moved in. So I hope you guys will enjoy. You can check out my Instagrams down below because the giveaway winner's getting announced when this video is posted. So it should be announced by the time this video is up. I said that, so hopefully it's up. And if you won, then you've probably been contacted by DM, so that's good. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get showing y'all around the dorm a bit. I'll show you all around the first spot that I was at. So these are the Thunderhill, again, it's like Thunderhill apartment ones. My parents were telling me they were the suite ones, but I'm pretty set in the idea that these are the apartment ones. So you can see you got like the big mirror here, and then in here, you got like the shower, and then in here, in this room right here, you got the holy toilet that will be shared between many people. Not looking forward to that, but you know what? I did it in my house, so I can do it here. And then, you know, I just got like some of the, you know, stuff to keep me fresh, you know? And we got that there. And yeah, that's basically the bathroom setup. Not really that crazy, is it? No. All right, but yeah, in here, then you also got like some places you can hang your clothes right by the door. And then, you know, you got like the thermostat and stuff like that. It only goes down to 70 degrees is what they told me, but that's no problem because in the winter it's gonna be mad cold here. So if I'm not tripping about that at all. And I'll come to like kind of like my main setup here. So right here, you know, we got like my dresser. Here's where I got like a lot of my clothes. So as you can see, you know, all like my clothes are in here. And then, you know, I got like some shoes down here. As you can see, you got a few pairs here. And you know, I think this is a fine place to keep them. You know, I think I can trust people enough. You know, I'll lock my dorm and stuff like that. But you know, if it gets to a point like that, yeah, there you go. Here's some other stuff. I guess I'll show you all that. But LV belt right there. I'll probably find another spot to keep some of the valuable stuff because you know I do have like a lock right here. I'm probably gonna be putting on the trunk over there, which I'll introduce y'all to in a couple minutes. But also right here, you can see it's kind of just like everything on the desk. You know, we got like a little cooler there, some drinks, food. This is like kind of like where you can do dishes. It's kind of like a little mini dish setup right here. You also got like a little drawer right here, which got like some of my books in them. That I'm, you know, for 2 books I need for classes. Since all my classes are actually online, they don't start till the 17th. You can see I'm posting the move-in vlog right now, and you know, you also got like my Xbox and monitor here, so like I can game if I want to. And sadly, the light on this lamp doesn't work, or something's wrong with this lamp because I've tried to get it to work. Maybe it's one of the outlets that's right here. Maybe it's like this one because I guess it's not working, but yeah, that doesn't work sadly. And yeah, you know, you actually climb up to sleep, so you just climb up these, or you can just hop up. I mean, I'll just hop up, and you know, you sleep up here. And then yeah, right under here, or here, you know, it's the other roommate bed. He'll be putting all his stuff under here, I assume, and probably right here on this desk. Also, I left him the other desk over there, so you know, I left him some extra space. You know, that's what homies do, because we're going to be homies, right? And you know, right here, I'm gonna duck down for y'all. We got the microwave and we got the freezer here. Of course, I'm talking like a newscaster for some reason when introducing y'all to a microwave. But yeah, this is actually, these 2 things right here are essential because A, you need to keep food and certain things frozen, or just kind of colder, and then B, the microwave, you know, so you can heat up like soup or like different things, you know, ramen. I probably won't be eating ramen because, you know, I think I'll be set, you know, with my money and stuff like that. But, you know, if I want to be eating soup or anything like that, or anything that's heated up, you know, I can put it in the microwave. And you know, that's how that works. Again, I love my mom. Shout out my mom, man. She really got me set for college. Like she got me all this food. Like I was like, man, that's crazy. You didn't even need to do all that, but she did that for me. So shout out her. Because I could have probably just used my app card and gone to the grocery store that they got, so I could have done that, but she really hooked me up. So shout out my mom, man. That's crazy. And right here, you know, we got a few bags. This is the trunk I'm gonna be locking. And you see, there's not really much in it. I just there's a couple like I think my LV bags in there, and then there's also like some of my jackets in here. So yeah, you can see I got like some valuable stuff. The Stony jacket, I think the LV bags, yeah, right there. So you can kind of see like why I'm trying to keep this trunk kind of locked. So I'll probably be doing that. And then, you know, this one I'll probably just on top of this, like that. And this one right here, as you can see, the High Sierra bag right here is filled with a ton of food. So you can see in here, we got a ton of food and different essentials in here. And, you know, essentials. We got the water, you know, we got the Dove soap, all that, keep me fresh. And, you know, we got like paper towels and stuff like that. We got all that. Had a lot of trouble zipping up that bag, but yeah, that's kind of like almost everything I got. Also in here, you know, we got some more things like toothbrush and then actually like the actual important stuff for school, and also my mic cover, which keeps coming off. And I guess I'll show you all inside the freezer. So what we got inside here, you can see, you know, we got some OJ, some water, Gatorade, all that, you know, some of the things I really like. So that's what that works. Well, that's how that works. And you know, the microwave, nothing inside there, but you know, it's working. Just use the time cook. And then, you know, we also got like some dishes and stuff like that. You're gonna want to bring some bowls and stuff like this for college and all that, because those are very important. Some silverware, and you know, also soup, which I'll probably have later today, something like that. You know, I already had a little breakfast, but you know, this is always good with Campbell chicken noodle soup. It's always smash. And also another essential for college. You know, you're always gonna need a bottle opener. So I got like the Mecklenburg Brewery bottle opener. I don't know, my mom just gave me this one, so shout out my mom. She just gave me this, so I guess to remember her by. Bottle opener. But yeah, that's kind of like my whole entire dorm. That's everything. That's like the bags. That's like what's in them. I guess y'all need to know that, but like that's kind of like my setup, what it looks like so far. I'm probably gonna hang some app stuff up here and around, because you know, to make my room look better. Expect that. That's kind of like what I'm trying to do. But yeah, that's kind of like the tour of the room, everything inside, what it looks like, basic little freshman setup, and we're gonna need to be getting some app merch, you know, and different stuff to make the room look nice. So that's pretty much that, and let's roll that outro. Anyways though, if you guys did enjoy this kind of like room tour or dorm tour that I kind of did right here, then you guys can subscribe below and drop a like for more videos like this. I'll do plenty of videos where I just show you all kind of around the college and dorm, college life. And also, you know, videos relating to streetwear and stuff like that, because that's still like, you know, what I like doing videos on. And you know, I just showed you around the dorm and, you know, kind of around the college for the last 2 videos. So hopefully that's been enjoyable. And yeah, you know, that's almost everything I gotta say. So if you also want to, go check the IGs down below. The giveaway winner's probably been contacted, but probably announced on my story and on the post too. I don't know if it'll be on the post, but it definitely should have been on my story, or they've been contacted. So I probably have announced that, but that's everything I gotta say. So I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you all in the next vid. Peace.